wiring systems quiz questions with answers. Take our following wiring systems quiz questions with answers to practice multiple choice questions based on online exam preparation test. Question 1. Which of the following wiring system can be used to attain safest possible multi-purpose distribution system for low voltage? A. 3-phase, 4-wire delta system. B. Single-phase 2-wire system. C. 3-phase, 4-wire Y system. D. 3-phase, 3-wire Y system.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer C. Question 2. Single-phase loads can be connected to 3-phase systems utilizing fill in the blank number of methods. A. 5. B. 3. C. 2. D. 4.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer C. Question 3. Fill in the blank is the greatest root mean square effective difference of potential between any two legs of the circuit. A. Phase voltage. B. RMS voltage. C. Line voltage. D. Ground voltage.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. Question 4. In case of 3-phase, 4-wire Y-connected system, full load ampacity of the neutral must be sized to fill in the blank times the highest phase ampacity. A. 1.732. B. 2. C. 0.866. D. 1.44.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. Question 5. The corner grounded delta system has the advantage of saving an economy in wiring costs. A. False. B. True.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. Question 6. Which of the following wiring system is normally used for transmission of power in the intermediate voltage range? A. Single-phase system. B. 3-phase, 4-wire system. C. 3-phase, 2-wire system. D. 3-phase, 3-wire system.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer D. Question 7. Single-phase loads cannot be connected to 4-wire, 3-phase delta system. A. False. B. True.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer A. Question 8. 3-phase, 4-wire system provides effective ground path and safety. A. False. B. True.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B. Question 9. In a 4-wire, Three-phase Y-connected system, the phase voltage is equal to fill in the blank times the ground voltage. A 1.732, B 1.44, C 0.577, D 0.866.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer C. Question 10. Three-wire, single-phase Edison system is the only approved method of wiring single-phase power? A. False. B. True.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer B.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.